How to play cannon shot in Snooker 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong by not understanding angles or cue ball control. The surprising truth is that the cannon shot or double ball hit is one of the most strategic plays in snooker. Start by identifying two balls you want to hit consecutively. Position the cue ball to maximize contact. The aim is to hit the first ball at a precise angle so it strikes the second. You won't believe how subtle adjustments in cue ball speed affect the shot. Use a steady stance and controlled cue action. Focus on the contact point on the first ball. A softer touch gives better control, while a harder strike adds distance and spin. Practice is key to mastering consistent cannon shots. Remember, planning is essential. Visualize the trajectory and think several shots ahead. Good cannon shots can set up breaks and improve scoring opportunities significantly. In conclusion, performing a cannon shot in Snooker 2025 requires understanding angles, cue control, and strategic planning. All of these steps practice regularly and you turn tricky positions into scoring chances.